Hi friends, this is Sachinarana. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Easy Way to Learn Chemistry. Thank you very much for subscribing and sharing and like my channel. Today we'll discuss about strength of ionic compounds. Okay, before going to the strength of ionic compounds, we need to discuss about Father's rules. Okay, that means favorable conditions for the for ionic compounds we'll discuss in this class. Here, simply I wrote here the cation size increases and anion size decreases. Those are the main favorable conditions for the ionic compounds. Here N stands for the charge number. Here M stands for the number. Here now we go to the topic cationic size increases. In groups we know that from top to bottom in groups the size of the atom increases. Here we can observe that plus short Li plus Na plus K plus Rb plus Cs plus fraction plus. Here from top to bottom in groups atomic size increases as well as here unipositive ions. These are belongs to the same group elements. So from top to bottom this cationic size increases. In the similar way here in opposite way here if the positive charge increases on the ion the size of the ion decreases. Here once you see here Al plus 3 Mg plus 2 Na plus, if you can observe that here Al plus 3 and Al plus 3 the plus 3 is their charge, here plus 2 is there, here plus 1 is there. What I wrote here, the positive charge increases on the ion, the size of the ion decreases. So what happened here from Al plus 3 Mg plus 2 Na plus, here we observe that from Na plus 2 Al plus 3 the size of the ion decreases. So these are the favorable conditions for the cation formation for ionic compounds. Whereas now we'll discuss about anionic size. In anionic size in ionic compounds, okay, decreases. Those are the favorable conditions for the ionic bond formation, ionic compounds formation. Here once you see here simply I represent here. These are belongs to the which group elements? Nana halogens. Here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are from top to bottom in groups the atomic size increases. Here the negative charge is equal negative charge is there. Only one unit of negative charge is there for all these. Here I wrote in reverse order in these group elements. So the size of the ion, what happened here? Gradually from iodine to fluorine, okay, iodide ion to fluoride ion decreases. So here in the same way, here in the opposite way, what happened on fluoride ion, oxide ion, nitride ion? Here if you see that if the negative charge increases on the ion, the size of the ion increases. If the negative charge increases on the ion, the size of the ion increases. We know that. But what are the favorable conditions for the anionic size for ionic bond formation? Anionic size is less then that is the favorable conditions for the ionic bond formation. So let us take some examples for a better way of understanding. Here ionic bond character, ionic character, how it will decrease, how it will increase once you see. Here the sodium in all these compounds, here NaF, NaCl, NaBr, NaI. In all these compounds, what we observe here all these compounds, sodium is the common ion, that means Na plus ion, whereas chloride ion, bromide ion, iodide ion is there. So here the atomic size of ionic size of cation is the same, but the anionic size is what happened increase from fluoride ion to iodide ion. So what happened if the anionic size increases? If anionic size increases, what happened? The ionic bond character decreases. That's why I wrote here ionic bond character decreases. Downward symbol indicates that decreasing. And now here, if you see that NaF, Na2O, Na3N, here this is F minus, this is O minus 2, this is N minus 3. Here the negative charge increase on the ion, what happened? The size of the ion increases. The size of the ion increases. So already I told you anionic size increases, then ionic character decreases. So here NaF to Na3N, what happened? The ionic character gradually decreases from NaF to Na3N. Okay, I think you understood. Next, ionic character decreases for these compounds. Yes, you see now here the anions are same in these three compounds, but the cation is different. Here Na plus, here Ca plus 2, here Al plus 3. Here the size of the cation decreases, so it is unfavorable for the ionic bond formation. So the ionic character gradually from NaCl to AlCl3 decreases. Okay, Nama. In the next class, we will discuss about favorable conditions for the covalent bond and comparison between the covalent bond ionic bond formation. Okay, thank you all of you.